Hello and welcome. Have you ever wondered what the Bible really is? Is it one book or many? Who wrote it? And why has it shaped history, culture, and faith for thousands of years? In this video, we break it down. What the Bible is and isn't. The difference between the Old Testament and New Testament. Who wrote the Bible? How the Bible was passed down and translated. And why it's still relevant today. Whether you're new to the Bible, curious about Christianity, or just want to understand its historical impact, this video gives you a clear and simple introduction. No preaching, just facts, context, and insight. Understanding the Bible, key facts everyone should know. 1. What the Bible is and isn't. The Bible is a collection of sacred texts, written over a span of about 1,500 years. It's not a single book, but a collection of 66 books in Protestant versions, with more in Catholic and Orthodox versions. The Bible includes history, poetry, prophecy, laws, letters, and moral teachings, not just religious rules. It's considered inspired by God by believers, but written by human authors. 2. The difference between the Old Testament and New Testament. The Old Testament, or Hebrew Bible, was written before the time of Jesus. It includes books like Genesis, Exodus, Psalms, and Isaiah. It tells the story of creation, Israel's history, the law of Moses, and prophecies. The New Testament was written after Jesus' life and focuses on Jesus' teachings, life, death, and resurrection, the Gospels. The early Christian church, like Acts, letters of Paul, and others, and the prophetic book of Revelation. 3. Who wrote the Bible, and when? The Bible was written by more than 40 authors over roughly 1,500 years. Authors include prophets, kings, poets, fishermen, and scholars. The Old Testament was mostly written in Hebrew, with some Aramaic, between around 1200 to 400 BCE. The New Testament was written in Greek, between about 45 to 100 CE. 3. How the Bible was passed down and translated. The books were originally copied by hand on scrolls and manuscripts. Ancient scribes were extremely careful, but minor variations exist. The Bible has been translated into over 3,600 languages, more than any other book. Key translations include the Septuagint, Greek OT, what a 3rd century BCE, the Latin Vulgate, by Jerome, 4th century CE, the King James Version, 1611 CE, modern versions like the NIV, ESV, and NLT, and last but not least, 4. Why the Bible is still relevant today. 1. Spiritual guidance. Millions see it as the Word of God, offering hope, purpose, and moral direction. 2. Cultural influence. Western laws, literature, music, and art are deeply shaped by biblical themes. 3. Historical insight. It gives us a window into ancient civilizations, beliefs, and traditions. 4. Personal impact. Many find comfort, inspiration, and life-changing principles within its pages. Whether you're exploring faith or studying history, the Bible remains one of the most important and influential texts in human history. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And God bless.